Today guys, I'm just going to show you how to replace Acura. It's an Acura. This is a 3.5 VTEC ELV. Is how to replace, guys, the fan, auxiliary fan right here. There are two of them. One is on this side, and then the other one is on this side. So guys, you're gonna replace these 10mm bolts. You're gonna take them out. This one too, and then down there the same two on this side, and then this thing, and then disconnect some few things, and guys, this thing should be able to come out that easy. Alright guys, so I take this connection from just here, I disconnect this, I disconnect this one right here from down right here. Comes out. Once that comes on, guys, what happens next is you pull this to the side, you take this 10mm right here out of the way, and then you take this one 10mm. Okay, this is where you take it out. Take this one out. This is from here and here. And when you take like this, guys, this guy is blocking the way, and this guy is blocking the way. So down there is loose, but up here this guy is blocking the way, so this one has to come out, this one right here. So one bolt is below here, this right here. You take this bolt out, you take this one out too. So you take this one out. Alright, you take this guy out. That's right there. Okay. One more bolt up here. So this one is out. I'll take this out. Guys, and one more bolt just inside here. So take that out. Enough space, guys, to take the guy behind. That was one, and then one more right here, 10. Then and this thing should be free to go. And then one down there is one 10mm down there. You take that one out, you take that 10mm, and then you take this 10mm right here, right on the corner right here, and then this thing comes out. Once that is out, guys, this 10mm, so the thing right here is loose, so we can open from down below. You can open there. When you open that from down below, guys, it should be able to come out. Once it's out, guys, this thing can come out freely. I'll show you in a moment. So guys, you come below the car, just like right here. Then from here, guys, you see at the top of the engine is all the way there. Is right here is a 10mm, which we have to just get it out right now. I'm just showing you in a moment. I have to get this one out. I just take my 10mm like this, I pull it here. Alright guys, for this thing to come out completely, so I recommend you use a small ratchet like this, so it doesn't touch here because the space is too small. So for now you can just use your hand, and this thing is out finally. When it's out, you go up, and then you can pull it from the top, so I'll show you in a moment. Channels come out from the bottom. What you do, you just pull this thing like this. You disconnect this right here. You disconnect this from here. You disconnect this from here. So you use something like this, guys. Something like this right here. So when this thing comes out, you get this guy. Side. So your fan is loose. So guys, you have to take this guy out first. You have to take this guy from here. So you have to take it like that from the way, put it on the side. That goes on the side, guys. You have enough space to pull this guy out. So you just bring it forward. From this guy, and then you finish with this guy. Okay, that's free. You open this thing right here. You open this this hose, come out. You use the grip lights like this. You use your grip from this side. Damn. Okay. Put this one on the side. And finally, guys, when this comes out, you push it like this. Push it from the side. Let it fall down like this. Something is holding it from behind down there. You have to let this one out. You have to get this out of the way. You just pry on the side, just press on the side, this thing comes out, sides out. Let's get this guy out from here. And then guys, you have to get this thing out. This one right here, you have to get this guy out from the battery. Make sure this comes out. Alright guys, so what you do, you just move this battery thing out of the way. You take the positive, move down, right there. Yeah. And you take the negative, you up and down too. Take it out of the way. Take the battery out of the way. You get access to the place. Take this thing out of the way. It's the cover. Pull this out of the way, guys. Pull this out of the way. You get the space you need. Put this on the side. And then you just put on this, guys. Make sure this thing comes out from here. That's what it's been holding. This thing out of here. Let's make sure it comes right from here. Make sure it doesn't block your way. This thing right here you put on the side. So you take this, pull this guy right here like this. Finally, guys, we got it out. There you go. That's the first one. We get a second one. So let's select to the right, slide it. Make sure nothing is holding from down there. So take out any connection points right from here. So we have a connection, guys, right there. So you take it out. Pressing the rear side of this thing right here. So once you press the rear, guys, this thing comes out like that. You can slide them to the right. Keep sliding them. Keep sliding. Some things might hold from here. Keep sliding it, guys. Right here. Let's reach this here, guys. Just pull like this. And just pull out like that. Second one, guys, is out. We're good to go. So there we are, guys. You can take them out.